Hi everyone! Today we're making a pumpkin soup that is gluten-free and vegan. What you'll need is pumpkin concentrate, water, chicken stock, onion, coconut milk, turmeric powder, garlic, and fish sauce. You can find the pumpkin concentrate in most grocery stores in the baking aisle. First, heat up some oil and cook your onions for about 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Then add your garlic and turmeric powder and cook for another minute or so. Add the pumpkin concentrate and chicken stock, then mix. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, then add fish sauce. If you want your soup to be silky smooth, then blend it up with an immersion blender. Add some more chicken stock or water if you feel like the soup is getting too thick. Add the coconut milk and mix it up. Check to see if you need more seasoning, and you're done. You can find the exact measurements in my blog, which will be linked down in the description bar.